Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 98367930076. You can WhatsApp us and you can drop an email to our email ID which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, okay, so you can join our doubt clearing sessions and you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions and online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI CMI entrance exams. So please feel free to contact us via this contact details if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that the set of all solutions of the equation ZQ plus 8I equals to 0, where our I is equals to root over of -1. Then there are four options. Option A is only 2I, option B is 2 root 2I, option C is 2I root over of 5 minus 1I minus square root of 5 minus 1I, and option D is telling us that 2I root 3 minus I minus root 3 minus I. Okay. So we can rewrite the equation which is this z cube plus 8I equals to 0. We know that I square is equals to -1. So our z cube plus 8I, or we can write minus here and we can multiply I square here. Then what we will get? Then the equation is my z8I cube. That can also be written as z cube minus 2I whole cube. Then we are going to use the very well-known formula for the a cube minus b cube. So let me change my color and I am writing it here. We know that a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We are only using this thing here. So what we will get? So my that will be z minus 2I, that is my a minus b, and a square will be z square, and our a plus ab, so that is 2iz plus, that is what? That will be 4I square, that is equals to 0. Okay, so our I square is equals to -1, we know that. So my this given, so this thing will be z minus 2I and sorry z square plus that will be 2iz, then that is my minus equals to 0. So if this is 0, then we will get one root which is my z equals to 2I. Now we are going to find another root. So how we can find? So that will come from this. We are going to use the Siddharacharya formula. We know that if our equation is, or a given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then by the using of rational operations we can get the root as this by 2a. Okay, so we are only using this thing here. So what we will get? Yeah, so that will be z equals to, that is minus 2I, that means minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 into a into c by, that will be 2 into a, that was 2a. So my z is what? Z is equals to minus 2I by 2 plus minus, that is root over 2I whole square, so that is 4I square. So 4I square is my minus 4, and that will be plus 16 by 2, because 4 into 4 is 16 and minus, so that is my plus. Okay, so we will get z equals to minus I plus minus that is root over of 12 by 2. So we can write it as 2 root 3 by 2. Yeah, because root 12 is what? That is root over of 4 into root 3, and root 4 is my 2. So this will be outside. So we will get this thing. So my z is equals to what? Minus I plus minus root 3. So all the roots of this equation are 2i and minus I plus minus root 3. So that is what? So that is our option D. Okay. So that is in our option D. So again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or you have any questions to ask, so please feel free to WhatsApp us on this number or call on this number, or you can drop an email to our email ID, so you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.